Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present our group project, which is the RADUAN Coffee Cafe website, prepared for Miss AMINUDDIN and prepared by our group members, Muhammad ADLIY HAKIMI, TUAN AMINUDDIN, FATIN AUDRYNA, and myself, NAJIHAH BINTI AHMAD RADUAN.
Okay, so hello, assalamualaikum everyone. So my name is FATIN AZHAR, and so today I want to present about the introduction for the record in website. Okay, so for the first part, RADUAN Coffee founded by Muhammad Farizwan bin Abdul Kadir. So it was on March 26, 2023. It's a coffee dedicated to providing high quality coffee at affordable price. So this his purpose. So with a passion for coffee, RADUAN Coffee aim to cater to student, professional, and coffee lover alike. So there's a very in the secure in that place. So to ensure the digital presence, we developed a website that offer easy access to the coffee menus, our contact, info, and location about the RADUAN Coffee. So this website that allow RADUAN Coffee to stay connected with its community, to update customer on new offering or new flavor, new promo events, or new menu. So this will be a good marketing for them. So it will be embracing the technology in RADUAN Coffee's strengths for brand and provide a seamless experience, like assuring the continue the growth and success in a competitive market in a business right now. Okay, so next about the description that I have in this website. So the first one about the RADUAN Coffee website is designed to ensure the customer experience, providing a seamless way or to explore the cafe offering that's have in RADUAN Coffee. So it features a user-friendly interface with the easy navigation, showcasing the cafe logo, customer testimony, and the menu. So for the service, there we have button highlighting is the dedication to quality service and the cozy atmosphere in this website. Okay, for the second one about us page will this share the cafe story and the vision that has behind their founder, like Muhammad Farizwan bin Abdul Kadir, to visual that of the cafe and barista in action. So the third one about the menu page. So this will present about the diverse range of the food and beverages with their clear image, allowing customer to explore their option that have easily. So what the RADUAN Coffee providing, it will be explored in this website. Okay, the last one about the contact us. The contact us page will include the cafe location, business hour, and social media link. And last one about the feedback form for the customer inquiry, because it will be easy to them to know about the more specific the RADUAN Coffee, like the social media, their contact, their location. So it will be the page integrated the Google Maps for it. And the last one about they have the page integrate like the Google Maps for easy to navigation. So it's very friendly to use that. So for the overall, this website as a comprehensive digital platform to ensure visibility, engagement, and accessibility for customers to whether they are browsing on their phone, tablet, or computer. So it's very easy to use it. So it support the cafe in staying competitive, like connecting with us community in the digital age in right now. So that's all for the description.
Next is competitors. Rare Coffee's website is designed to provide a complete and engaging experience for customers. However, competition in the coffee industry is strong, and one of the main competitors is Nasken Coffee website, which has a well-established brand, strong customer base, and advanced digital presence. For the first is attractive and interactive homepage, which is they use high-quality visual and interactive layout for easy navigation. They also showcase menu, promotion, and store location with engaging video and animation. Next is Strong About Us page, which is they provide brand story, vision, mission, and achievement. Also display barista image and store location for better customer connection. Next is Well-Organized menu page, which is they use high-quality image with detailed description of food and beverage. They also highlight seasonal, special, and promotion to attractive customer. Next is Online Ordering and Delivery system, which is they integrate ordering and payment system for customer convenience, and partnership with GrabFood, Pinda, and seamless delivery service. Next is Store Locator page, which is the interactive map with a Google Map integration for easy navigation. And the last one is social media integration, like they link to Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for promotion and customer engagement. For target audience, Rare Coffee caters to a diverse audience, offering high-quality coffee and an affordable price. Whether you are a student, a professional, or traveler, Rare Coffee provides a welcoming space for all, such as for student and young professional. They provide affordable, cozy, and ideal for studying or working. They also provide a free Wi-Fi and comfortable seating for productivity. Next is for coffee enthusiasts. They offer handcraft beverage with unique flavor and a place for explore different brewing methods. Next is remote workers and freelancers, like they provide peaceful and ambience with free high-speed Wi-Fi and a perfect alternative to home office to focus on networking. Next is families and casual visitors. They provide a warm and inviting space for social gatherings and a variety of snacks and drinks suitable for all ages. Next one is for tourists and travelers. They provide showcase local coffee culture with signature drink and provide must-visit spot for an authentic Kelantan coffee experience. So, Rare Coffee is designed to be a community hub to coffee lovers, ensuring everyone enjoys a premium yet affordable coffee experience.
Next, I will present the website strength and weakness. The Rare Coffee website serves as an effective digital platform to promote the cafe, offering various benefits. The website provides important details such as the website, special promotions, and location of the cafe, keeping visitors informed and engaged. This user-friendly design makes it easy for coffee lovers to plan their visit and enjoy the inviting atmosphere at Rare Coffee Cafe. The website strength. The first one is high-quality visual content. The website features attractive, high-quality photos of the cafe's atmosphere, homemade pastries, and handcrafted coffee made by professional baristas. Unique shop aesthetic, which is displayed in an additional gallery area. The next one is engaging social media integration. Rare Coffee Cafe using social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to actively engage with their customers. They promote interactive surveys, share user-generated materials, and answer comments to enhance its online visibility and grow loyal customers. The last one is fast and mobile responsive design. The website was created to run effectively on all platforms, providing the best user experience on PCs, tablets, and smartphones. Customers can access information quickly and simply with a simple structure and explore the website quickly. Next, we move to the weakness of website. The first one is lack of accessibility features. There are no accessibility-friendly features on the website, such as screen reader compatibility, high contrast setting for those with disabilities, or adjustable font size. Improving these elements will ensure that everyone can easily access the cafe services. The second one is limited menu transparency. Not have a complete digital menu detailed like ingredients. It can be challenges for customers to make smart choices before coming if they are looking for particular information about items, the amount quantities or allergy specifics. Next, no online reservation or booking system. Online reservations and table booking are not available for customers. This result might in lost opportunities, particularly for a cafe that might attract large groups or periods of high demand. And the last weakness is limited local collaborations or influencer integration. The website doesn't highlight collaboration with local business, food bloggers, or influencers. It's more difficult to reach new customers and raise brand recognition outside of its current customer base. Next, we go to the design choices. The first design we choose is the color. We use a smart combination of red, beige, black, and white to provide an attractive and elegant look. Soft beige and white tones balance the design, warmth, and modification. The bold black and red contrast energetic and dynamic touch. After that, the layout. The sections are clearly labeled for easy access. Browsing is made easy with a well-organized. Customers easily explore the cafe's stories, food options, and contact information. Next, the fonts. Primary font use is Arial. It's clear, contemporary, and very readable. After that, Times New Roman lends a hint of traditional elegance, giving text a refined but professional appearance. Harmonious font combination improve usability and aesthetic appeal. For images we put in the website, use high quality photos to improve the visual appeal and immersive feel. The images create a warm and inviting environment, allowing customers to visually feel the love behind each drink before entering the cafe. And the last one is maps. It makes it easy for customers to find Ruwais Kopi Cafe. Visitors can access exact directions, predict trip time, and explore surrounding sites using this integrated maps reel.
Next, I will continue our presentation with challenges that I need to face while creating a website for Ruwais Coffee. For the first one is designing attractive and easy to use websites. The website must have an attractive design and be consistent with the branding of the coffee shop, including consistent colors, font, and image that reflect the environment. The user interface or UI should be intuitive in order to ensure that visitors can navigate the site easily. Also, it must be mobile friendly as many customers will access the site using their smartphones. Secondly is content creation and updates. A coffee shop's website needs to be updated often to prevent consumer misunderstanding because menu, special offers, and operating hours vary often. This is both vital and difficult. Additionally, producing high-quality photos and videos might take a lot of time and money, but they are crucial for drawing in clients. Visibility can be decreased by outdated or badly written material, which can also damage brand trust and search engine results. Lastly is website performance and speed optimization. A fast load website is crucial for good user experience, while slow page will irritate visitors and increase the rate of negative feedback for your store. Bad performance will affect search ranking too, which is another reason to care about speed optimization. Compressing image, minifying JavaScript and CSS file, and choosing a reliable hosting provider help improve load times. Other strategies include caching, using a content delivery network, and enabling lazy loading. Next, I will continue with the lesson learned. So for the first one is collaboration requires flexibility and adaptability. Different team members contribute distinct viewpoints, abilities, and ideas while developing a website. While this diversity can enhance creativity and problem solving, it also requires flexibility and adaptability. Team members may have different opinions about design, content, or functionality, and it is important to be open to get a feedback and willing to compromise. Second one is time management is crucial. There are several different tasks involved in creating a website, such as designing, coding, content writing, and testing. Without effective time management, deadlines may be missed, resulting in hurried work and subpar output. Setting explicit deadline, segmenting project into manageable tasks, and establishing milestones to monitor progress are all critical for teams. The project will also remain on track, and no one will overwork if the team members' workloads are balanced. Last one is conflict resolution is necessary for teamwork. When a team is working on something, there is bound to be a difference of opinions, ideas, or style of working. However, it should also be professionally handled in order not to affect the work environment. Solving an issue at an earlier stage will help keep misunderstanding from growing bigger and hampering the progress. When there is open communication, active listening, and respect for one another, the parties involved can find a compromise that satisfies them.
Okay, so the last one about the conclusion that I have. So, to creating a website for a shop previously had no online presence like Ruwe Coffee right now. Was a crucial step towards, because the growth and the modernization of the shop is allow the business to step forward and compete establish with their coffee shop. So through this development process, it improve that they will improve their lesson for the learn, such as the need of the regular update, the clear branding, and the mobile responsive. So in addition, the teamwork, proper time management, and the conflict resolution that play a key role in assuring the smooth and successfully the execution of the project. So by implementing this insight, the new website will serve as a powerful tool to attract customer, increase the business credibility, and establish a strong digital presence. So in today's competitive like market, if having a well-designed website is no longer an option, but it is essential for long-term success in sustainability. So it's very will give a good impact. Good marketing for the shop. So the customer or the community can engage it very easily. Okay, so that's all from conclusion. So I will be passed to the next one.
So we move to the website element. For the website, we make the home page using alert box. The script creates a JavaScript alert box that greets visitors to serve a friendly and welcoming notification for users as they access the website. This built-in JavaScript function is used to display a pop-up alert message to the user. We also use logo and headings. The div tag is used to create a container for the logo, and the img tag loads the logo image. H1 tag is used for the text as a primary greeting and to highlight the cafe name. Besides that, for the services that there in Ruwe Kopi Cafe in homepage, we using special section. Div with the class special box contains and H2 heading for the title and a P element for the coffee shop's name. The CSS display flags justify content, center gap 75 PS, flags wrap. Wrap ensures that the service items are arranged in a flexible and img elements for the service related image. The H3 elements are wrapped to stand out. The P elements have beige text with padding for better spacing. And last but not least, in the homepage we put the feedback cards. Each review is placed inside a div with the class feedback card. Inside each card, an image element displays a screenshot of customer reviews. Each review card has a beige background a light brown border, and rounded corners. The reviews are arranged in 3 equal columns with space gap 20 px.
This is the About Us page for RADUAN copy. I used HTML and CSS to create a clean, modern and user-friendly web page. This page is divided into sections, which is header, navigation, main banner, about section and footer. The navigation menu allows user to easily access different pages. The main content introduces the founder, company background, mission, vision, and the journey. And the footer contains copyright detail. Now, I would like to tell you about the CSS styling that I use for this website. Firstly, I use background and color. I style this background and color using the CSS property, which is a background URL images folder, and the name of my folder, which is I replace with lamp.jpg. Then I center the background color and I start with cover background that no repeat, because to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, resembling a cozy coffee shop. So this enhances the overall aesthetic and align with the branding of RADUAN copy. Additionally, I choose a dark theme combined with white and red text to ensure high contrast, improving readability and giving the page an elegant and modern look. Next is I styling for typography and readability. I use font Arial, and because the clean and simple make it professional and making it easy to read. The headings, which is include heading 1, 2, and 3 that I use in this website, are styled with the red and white text to create contrast and draw attention to important section. Additionally, I applied the text shadow in khaki to make the titles more prominent and visual appealing, enhancing the overall design. Next is navigation and menu styling. The styling that I use for navigation menu, I use flex box with the property which is display flex and justify content and make it center. I also use gap to inadvertently space out of navigation link to ensure a well structure and the layout. This makes the menu visual balanced and easy to navigate. Next is to enhance the user interaction, I add a hover effect, which is navigation hover, and the color I choose is red, because which is change the background color to red and user hover over the menu item. This provides a dynamic and interactive experience, making a navigation more engaging. Last but not least, I move to the image styling. To create a modern and sleek appearance, I apply the round corner to the image with the border radius property. This softens the edge and gives the visual a more polished look. Additionally, I ensure that all images are centered within their container to maintain a professional and well-balanced layout. Next is responsive layout, which is I implement with the flex box with the property, which is display flex align item and make it center. Then I justify content, also make it center. So to make sure the content adapt well to different screen size, this ensure the element remain properly aligned on the various device. Additionally, I set a maximum width, which is to prevent the text and image from the stretching too wide on the larger screen and maintain a clean and readable layout.
Okay, so hello everyone. So I want to present about the structure of the HTML page for menu section, menu page only. Okay, for the first one, we will use, you can see that header section will be the same for everyone, because we want to make it very the same, not have a very everyone that have a very different header and section, header and footer, so everyone can use a very same. For me and about us, for menu and about us, use for body section like the navigation bar for image, so it will be the make it more build up. So everyone can see that, oh, this is the background of the Ruwe Coffee that have. So it will be, everyone know that there's a Ruwe Coffee website like that. So for the first one about for the head section that define the title and the close title for that, yes, for the main, like the menu section. So this so the link will be the external CSS file, because I put the link for the CSS type will be the external to their style for additional styling. So they will include the internal CSS for layout and design. Okay, so for next about the body section, so I use for the background image to set as a background for the page. So it will be the clue that the menu page not have a very zero or very nothing, like looks as a build up for their menu image. So if it, for the navigation bar, like the content like header about us, home, menu and contact us. So it will be the permanent for all everyone that use. So it will be the main section. So I will use to the header banner for display a catchy slogan like coffee lover hype zone, beware of coffee bomb. So this is a slogan that Ruwe Coffee use. So I put it in the header banner, so everyone can know, oh, this is a slogan. Oh, so this a very like very know that, oh, so everyone that know that, oh, there's a slogan that Ruwe Coffee. So for the special section, like to highlight the different category to drinks, food and pastry that have in this website. So I will go through a special section in this net. Okay, so for the body section and heat section, that's all that I use it. Okay, so next I want to show that. So if you put the for the foods or their section in different type, so it will be this like this. So if you can see that for the first one, by the pastry that you decorated to your and have a very short words for, you can see that it's very like, oh, there's a memorable things that you can eat it like that. So it will be a very more interesting that everyone could see that, oh, there's a food, oh, there's a drinks like that. So what I use for the coding in this section, that I divide to division class to like menu. So it will be to division class to menu item. So it will be the more specific for the items, like for the main one about the division class, the menu, and the sub one about the division class, the menu item, and you can put the image, your H2, your header, your paragraph, and if you want to strong if you want to text strong, you can put the title, the strong, and close the title, close the element. Okay, so I will repeat this for their, and I will repeat this until that platter. So it will be for the foods. So it will be that show in the different types of the menu. So that's you can see that the different types of the drinks have a one section, and foods have a one section, and ramen have a one section, and pastry have a one section too. So it will be the open the main section, close the main section, and open the main section and close to the main section if you want to difference of the types, or we can say that different content like that. So it will be the very manage it very well. So for the this and the last one about the add-on have a I want to say that not have a body for the main section, because if you want to put that the main section, the division, so it will be the close, right? So the add-on, it will be put to the section only, so not a division class menu. So if I do this, it will be turned that the image have a one border, the two image have in one border, not one border have one image like this like others part that I put them. Okay, so for the next one about the CSS styling highlight, so I want to share to you. I want to highlight the CSS style that I use. So for the first one, but the general style. Okay, for the general style that I use is for the box sizing and border box to ensure the padding and margins to be don't affect to element size that I apply. The text align to center to align text properly. So it will be not effect to others element that I use lah. So the second one about the menu item design. For the menu item design style to each menu box. So this will be for the first one about the background that I use a white with a rounded corner. So it will and the shadow effect. So if you can see that in the backs of the border have a shadow effect. So if we I use it for the 0 px, 10 px, 20 px, and for the RGBA to in column 000 and 0.3. So it will be the give a floating effect to the image. So you can see that the border have a like the floating and very like a build up to everyone can see that. Okay, so the hover effect, image can like slightly to zoom in, like transform the scale. I use this transform scale to 1.05 to make it the will zoom in transform. So it will be that everyone can see that the image that will up, the image that out of the border like that. So the last one about the special box styling that special box that I designed to stand out the rounded corner. And if you can see the rounded corner that have in the image, like for the border like border radius that I use for 50 px to the shadow, and with the shadow effect like at depth deep that I use. And the last one about the color schema like the brown deck with khaki color text. So if you can see that in their text that I use the very the border very have a very like the radius or represent that like the around the corner, so it will be more the different content from others like that. So it will be no more specific to use it, or everyone can see it like that. Okay, so for the next one about the menu item selection. So this in this menu item selection that have a drink section and food section, add-on section, pastry section. So it will be the more in their section have a different image and have a different content and have a different element and have a different price that I use it in. So for the element and for the style, it will be the same. For the content section and the data only that have a different. So for the drink section that I include that coffee and non-coffee and matcha, like the drink like Spanish latte 11 hundreds. For the Spanish latte like for the RM 11 and Americano and matcha berry. So it will be more the exclude that the drinks have a different have a very more I will say that have a more menus that everyone can choose it. So the next one about the food section, and if you can see that I put the spaghetti aglio olio and the chicken chop, and the last one about the list of food. So it will be the most that like what to have, what example image for the food one. So I will put them. It will be the example for the example item like for the showcase the main dishes, snack, ramen and platters too. So it will be this. If you go through one by one, I've this the food section have a image, and others like don't have image. So it will be on the cafe. If you want to put their testimony, it will be appear in this website. If the shop don't have testimony, so it will don't have it appear in this website too. So for the last one for the menu item section, I put the add-on section. If you can see that have a small extra item like sauce, cheese and personalized option. So this one about for the add-ons only. If you want to add on cheese or if you want to personalize your drinks, you can say that to you can say that, or you can know that, oh, there's a RM 2 ringgit for this add-on like that. So the last one that I put the interactive element for the navigation bar. So it will allow user to switch page. Like if you click for the home, it will be direct to home link. And if you click to about us like the click about us to header, it will go to about us Rubai Coffee. So it called the navigation bar to allow user to switch page, not just only to click the page, or you need to turn back or you need to refresh the website only. So it will be very easy to use it. So for the hover effect on image that makes the menu visual engage.
Next, I will continue our presentation with the Contact Us page of the website. So this is the Contact Us page of the website, designed to provide users with essential information such as our location, hotline, business hours, and links to our social media platform. The page also includes a form for users to send inquiries or feedback directly to us. So HTML element use the navigation bar. The navigation bar at the top use and another list UL and LI to create links for easy navigation to other pages like home, about us, menu, contact us. I style the links with hover effects to improve user interactively, changing the background color and text color when hovered. Next is location section. I create a dedicated section for the business location using a div with the class location. This section includes headings, paragraph, and format text to make it easier for users to read and find relevant information. So the third one is social media links. I use clickable icons for social media embed in text to provide a direct link to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikToks. I include descriptively text for accessibility. Next is the Contact Us page of the website that users can easily get in touch with the business. It is designed to display the key elements such as contact form and interactive Google Map for location visibility. For the first one is contact form section. The contact form collects user information like their name, email, phone number, and message. It is structured using the HTML elements such as input, text area, select, button. The code example is a center. The code snip display in the middle is the HTML and CSS used to build and style the contact form and map section. This code use semantic HTML elements for clarify and accessibility. CSS properties like background color, border, and padding to design the form and map containers. The box shadow property gives the section to subtle 3D effects, ensuring they stand out on the page. For the Google Map interaction, the Google Map integration uses an iframe to embed an interactive map that shows the exact location of the business. This makes it easier for users to find the business location directly from the website. The map is styled to fit seamlessly into the page layout, with round corners and proper dimension for visual appeal. For the CSS styling for contact section, the entire page has a background image applied using a background image style with a background size cover to ensure it fills the screen nicely without repetition. I choose this background to give the page a visually appealing and unique design. The font style is set globally using font family Arial Sans Serif for a modern and readable appearance. For the navigation bar styling, I use the text decoration property to remove the underline from navigation links, while the transition property ensure a smooth color change and hover. This makes the user experience more interactive and visually engaging. The navigation bar items are aligned to the right using float right and space evenly with padding. For the content section, location and form, I use a beige background with a border 1 px solid brown and border radius 5 px for a neat and organized look. Additionally, the box shadow property adds depth to the section, making it stand out against the background. For headings, I applied a brown text color to maintain consistency with the overall themes. For the form elements, each input field that has a consistent size and style appeal using padding, font style, and border radius. The submit button change color and hover for better user interaction. For the social media icons, the icons are embedded using IMG text and their size is controlled with width and height properties to maintain balanced appearance.